It is January the 15th, 2022. I'm Andy. This is the Minorcan Mullet Report from the Golden Ray Rec Site, the St.Simons Sound, and the Port of Brunswick. We got out today and had the opportunity to get the drone up, and we took a look around the site, and you can really see what kind of progress the Pacific has made pulling pilings. It looks to us like they're halfway finished. They appear to be right at the old north gate, and they're coming around. So good progress here with these guys. They're pulling out quite a few. Now, they may have a delay. We're expecting some weather. This area of coastal Georgia is under a gale warning for the winter storm that is moving across the country. Temperatures have been very pleasant today, but that is probably going to change overnight with wind, rain, and then look for Monday morning to be pretty chilly here in coastal Georgia. But lots of good progress. These guys seem to have the system figured out, and they are moving right along with this removal of these pilings. And we got a shot here we wanted to share with you, just kind of showing the current in the sound and how it moves by these fixed pilings. Now, over in the port, the M.A.R.S group is loading up. They are making preparations to get Thor out of port and head it back to the Gulf. And part of that today was loading up the Fuchs 390s, the pair of blue grapples that they've had on site. These were a big part of the operation, moving so many of those cars out of the wreck so that they could lighten it to get it lifted, and then picking those cars out of the ship sections itself once they were on the dry dock. We saw these machines in the hands of some very capable experts, and it was quite a treat to watch those pieces of equipment in operation. But here we've got some video of the mighty Thor loading those pair of Fuchs 390s onto the barge so that they could be lashed down and get ready for that transit. Everything looks easy when you've got the right piece of equipment to do the job. And this M.A.R.S group has certainly made it look easy. These guys are true professionals, and it's been a real pleasure to have them here and doing the part of the job that they've done. Outstanding. Well, Minorcan Navy, the M.A.R.S group has a few more pieces of equipment they've got to load up onto the barge to get ready for transit. Hopefully they can get out early in the week and start that voyage back over to the Gulf. A lot of that's going to hinge on weather, in particular what happens this evening and into tomorrow with this weather that's coming through. But hopefully they can make that happen, and it doesn't delay them so that they can get on to the next project. Hey, we're going to ask you that if you haven't done it yet, you click on that subscribe link, share the video, keep the comments coming. I know we've been kind of slow on getting back to you guys, but we've been awful busy, but we certainly enjoy reading every one of them. Most of all, we want you guys to stay safe out there.